Welcome to Xcluder's product installation video. My name is Jeremy and I'm the National Technical Manager for Xcluder. We're going to show you how to install our Xcluder X2 Rodent-Proof Seal Kit for roll-up doors. This kit is designed for roll-up doors with L brackets on each side of the bottom of the roll-up door. You will measure the width of the roll-up door to determine which kit to buy. Kits are available for standard width roll-up doors that are 8 foot, 12 foot, and 16 foot wide. For in-between widths, order the next size up and cut to size. You can order pre-assembled full-length 8 foot, 9 foot, and 10 foot kits. These kits are special order only. With the roll-up door closed, remove the previous retainer and seal. Measure the width of the roll-up door from vertical steel guide to vertical steel guide and subtract a ½ inch from the recorded measurement. This will give you a 1/4 inch of space between the retainers and the vertical steel guides at each end. This will prevent the retainers from binding when the roll-up door is being operated. You will cut the retainer or retainers to equal the required length. Using clamps, assemble all the retainers in between the L brackets. Make sure all retainers are assembled with the brush seal channel on the same side. Drill out the guide holes. Measure the depth of each vertical steel guide. The T-rubber will extend past the retainers into the vertical steel guides by 1 to 2 inches on each side. Make sure the T-rubber does not touch the back of the vertical steel guides. Cut the T-rubber to the correct size. Expose the T-channel and brush seal channel by flipping the assembled unit onto the back of the clamps. Lubricate the T-channels and T-rubber with a water and liquid dish soap mix. Slide the T-rubber into the assembled retainers. Lubrication is not required for the brush seal. Slide in the brush seal into place. With the T-rubber installed, use the provided crimps or use zip ties to secure each end of the T-rubber. Place the assembled unit in between the vertical steel guides. Remove the clamps. Lower the roll-up door to the assembled unit. Line up the holes and slide the extra long bolts into the holes. This will hold the seal and L brackets in place so you can raise the roll-up door to install the original bolts. Slowly raise the roll-up doors to a comfortable height. Replace the long extra bolts with the original bolts. We recommend replacing the extra long bolts at each end of the roll-up door before replacing the extra long bolts in the middle of the roll-up door. This will ensure the assembled seal with L brackets will be secured to the roll-up door. Once this is completed, replace the rest of the extra long bolts with the original bolts. Operate the roll-up door to make sure the door operates correctly. Installation of your Xcluder X2 Rodent-Proof Seal Kit for the roll-up doors is complete. If you'd like to see more Xcluder product installation videos, visit our Xcluder YouTube channel, or if you have any questions, simply give us a call at 847-495-4700. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.